Here in Florida, it has been the high 70s, 80s every day. And although it's not technically spring, but it sure feels like it, which is getting me in the mood to decorate for spring. Recently, we renovated our main guest bathroom, and I'm overly pleased of the way it turned out, and I'll leave that link down below in case you missed the whole entire process. Warm and cool blues is my jam, especially in a bedroom or a bathroom. I am definitely vested and committed. Our master bathroom is even blue, French blue to be exact. Need I say more? Here's what our master bath looked like before the reno. Great bones, just a little dated. All of our bathrooms had the same tile, the same fixtures, the same cabinetry. It just wasn't our style. We would renovate one bathroom every year until we had them all done. Our walk-in closet is in our bath. Again, it had the same dark wood, and we upgraded it with this closet system that has changed the look and the entire feel of the space. Now, if you'd like to see a video of all of the before and after spaces, I'll link that down below. We knew this was going to be our forever bathroom and closet, so we got rid of the sliding door and added these beautiful French doors. I was going for a seamless look to match our bathroom with the closet design. Tranquility, functionality is the look I was going for in all of our bathroom spaces. Since this is a guest bathroom, the shower doesn't get used a whole lot, but it was in need of getting this glass cleaned. Everything else was clean, something that I do at least once a week because it's the main bathroom that everyone uses when they come to our home. One way you could change out your space without breaking the bank for the season is to add a pop of color by changing out your towels, adding a beautiful plant or bath accessories like your soap holder, or maybe even changing out your tissue box. Squeegees are handy and affordable. They can quickly and easily remove excess water from shower walls and doors, and it came with this adhesive storage hook. Now while I'm letting that dry and adhere to the wall, I'm placing this teak shower bench inside. Now unlike other woods, teak hold up very well to excessive moisture. We even have teak on our outdoor furniture that's just fabulous. I highly recommend. Cheers to the superhero of cleanliness. With this 15-ounce wall mount soap dispenser, it's not only convenient, but it's very stylish. Installation was easy, it holds hand soap, shower gel, and it's ideal for any bathroom or kitchen. I'm very intentional about how I style any space in our home, and I just love adding pops of color, especially for the spring. And I've had these tissue boxes for some time now, and I'm adding paper towels, or you can add facial tissue. Either way, it's functional and stylish. It's all about layering for me. I'm adding this tray, it's from HomeGoods, and this tissue box is from Amazon. I highly suggest using disposable hand towels. You don't want everyone using the same towel, do you? I've shared this years ago with you guys. You can buy bulk off of Amazon, or you can get these out of any grocery store. 60 come in a box, and you can get it for a little over $3. Spreading hints of spring decor throughout our home, this cute little bunny I got for $4 at Ross stores. You guys, if you're looking for some affordable spring decor, Ross is where it's at. I'm adding some Smell Good and some body cream, fresh clementine. It smells so amazing, but it's not overpowering, and you can get that from Walmart. Keeping everyone safe, I added a motion sensor light under the bath cabinet. I may switch these out because they're battery operated, but they last a good while. But I had to put Velcro on the back to make it easy for me to put it on and take it off when it's time to replace the batteries. This little corner is the perfect spot for this little table that you can use for anything. I have it here just in case guests want to put their belongings. The faux vase is here temporarily. When guests come over, I will remove it. Now, if you have a home that you're trying to renovate, don't go house broke trying to do it all at one time, you guys. I promise you it will break you. Take your time, do your research, have a budget, have a plan. Do it a little at a time. And I want to thank you for watching.